The Boston Dynamics Stretch robot is transforming warehouse automation with its advanced artificial intelligence, computer vision, and powerful robotic arm designed to unload trucks and move thousands of boxes with speed and precision. Unlike traditional industrial robots that require fixed installations, Stretch is mobile and flexible, allowing businesses to automate repetitive tasks while reducing labor shortages, workplace injuries, and operational costs. Its ability to adapt to different warehouse environments makes it one of the most innovative logistics robots available today. As e-commerce continues to grow, the importance of the Boston Dynamics Stretch robot is increasing rapidly. Companies can improve productivity, speed up order fulfillment, and operate around the clock with consistent performance. Powered by cutting-edge robotics and AI, Stretch represents the future of smart warehouses, helping businesses achieve higher efficiency, greater accuracy, and safer working conditions while meeting the rising demands of modern supply chains.